Hi guys, I'm reporting from Siziwang Banner in North China's Inner Mongolia Autonomous Region. The re-entry capsule of China's Chang'e-5 probe landed on the grassland in this region. The returner of Chang'e-5 carries around 2 kilograms of lunar samples the probe collected from the moon. It's the world's first moon sample mission in more than 40 years. This is also China's first attempt to retrieve samples from an extraterrestrial body. The Chang'e-5, comprising an orbiter, a lander, an ascender, and a returner, was launched on November the 24th. Its lander-ascender combination touched down on the near side of the moon on December the 1st. Chang'e-5 is also seen as one of the most complicated and challenging missions in China's aerospace history.